Conservative leaders unanimously agreed Wednesday night to ask the state legislature to consider tax breaks for seniors. The resolution they passed would allow people 65 and older to claim more money on their homestead exemption.
Olivia Dunn talked with Mayor Lester Miller about why he says the break will benefit the entire county.
Mayor Lester Miller says lowering property taxes for seniors has been on his agenda for months, and now the Bibb County Commission is taking that first step towards senior savings. One senior taxpayer I spoke to today says she's lived in Bibb County her whole life and is ready for a break.
And people like myself deserve all the benefits that are due to us.
Zelda Card is about to turn 64 in November, and she owns a home in Macon. She stopped by the Macon Tax Commissioner's office this afternoon to check on her property taxes, which she says are too high.
I feel that they're extremely too high, and we all do feel that way, especially for people our age, in our age category.
But Card and other Macon homeowners aged 65 and up could get a break. On Wednesday night, the Bibb County Commission voted unanimously to ask the state legislature to consider a law that would lower property taxes for seniors. Here's how it works. If you're 65, you would be able to claim another $10,000 in homestead exemption, which comes off the taxable value of your home. Those 75 and older could get another $15,000 homestead exemption, and those 85 and older wouldn't pay anything.
But at the very least, you get 50 to almost 100% reductions at 65 and 75.
Mayor Lester Miller says this is about more than saving seniors money. It's also about keeping seniors and their money in Macon, which he says will benefit the entire city.
They have disposable income that they can pay to buy other things, to do entertainment, to buy food. They really give back to our community, and they make stable neighborhoods, and it keeps the property taxes level for our community.
If the resolution is signed by the governor, you could see the question on the November 2026 ballot. Reporting in Macon, Olivia Dunn, 13 WMAZ News.
Mayor Miller says if state lawmakers consider and pass the resolution, it would, as Olivia said, show up on the November 2026 ballot. And if voters okay it then, seniors could start seeing property tax deductions in January of 2027.